Hey everybody, this video here I got a master lock key safe. I think it's a 5400D, I think is the model number on it. I'll put it in the title. And I decode these for realtors sometimes. They normally don't come to me open, but I guess this one was hanging on a doorknob without a key in it, and then somebody changed the code. So we're going to see if we can decode it here. And then just reset the combination to 0 and get it back to him so we can put it back in service here. So what we're doing is we're just turning the wheels, feeling for a flat spot. And you should actually be able to see how the tool moves like that. And these things are usually fairly easy to decode. Oh, I did try this earlier in my hand at the guy's office and couldn't get it. Yep. Hit 2412, but that's not going to be the code because that just has all the wheels lined up, and you got to just click each one. Down or up 2 numbers, I guess it would be, and then that's our code right there. 4634 ended up being the code. So now that we've got the code programmed in there, we can reset it, and the way we do that is got our little reset lever here. Push in, lift it up, and we just want this to be all zeros to give back to them. Now we got it all on zeros here. We'll just flip our lever back and make sure that our guy's working there. Should be able to close it back. And these are actually easier to open on a door, but anyway. So yeah, master lock key safe here, decoded, and got the combination changed. And that will do it for now, and we'll talk to everybody later.